we see one more important consumer trait playing out in the medium term: the fear of the unknown. We are currently going through this phase of high fear. Even when things open up, some of this will remain. And from brands, from markets, from stores, our customer will expect reassurance on this count. Modern retail, both digital and physical modern retail, will practice and will be seen to be practicing some of these care measures properly. What we have learned now: social distancing at stores, use of sanitizers, masks, etc., etc. We will continue to practice this. We will continue to tell our customers that this is a more reassured place to be coming to. Both forms of modern retail, supermarkets and e-commerce, will be on the gain side of this expectation change from the customer. And so will be brands, and so will be trusted, old, established brands. Because amidst uncertainty, known brands, name brands reduce one variable. Known brands are also easier to shop. You can shop faster. You don't have to look at back of pack label with as much care for brands that people have trusted in a long time. So health and hygiene products, we are already seeing this. Even on the other side of lockdown, we will be seeing a higher orbit of sales. We'll be seeing, I'm sure many of us are working on products that are for greater health and hygiene, both external for self and for the home, as well as internal for immunity support. Those opportunities will come. They will be mainstream. People will want brands to live up to this expectation. The fear of the unknown will change some of the fundamental behaviors and consumption patterns. We are already seeing this in our stores. Now let's talk home delivery. Ordering from home and getting home delivery will be now a mainstream expectation going forward. And customers would expect this from their own trusted store brands, store formats. Like other modern retail features, home delivery will become a mainstream symbol of modern retail. And we plan to lead this change. You will hear from us our plans of how do we mainstream it for every supermarket of ours. We'll also be doing home delivery, and I'm not even calling it e-commerce because that's how simple we want to make it going forward. We also believe that in this phase, the recruitment of new customers into e-commerce will be done by grocery. And therefore, we are working on an extreme simplification of people's participation process into ordering digitally. Can people with smartphones, but those who have keyboard hesitation and literacy issues, search issues, browse issues, or app usage hesitation, also participate in doing commerce digitally? We think so, and that's what we are going for sure, and right away. So to recap, I have faithfully shared information and trends that we are picking up in Supermarket India. Lab tested in the field in our stores, 750 stores. Thankfully, many of them running through these 5 weeks. Reliance Fresh, Smart, Market, Smart Point, Sarkari Bhandar and Shri Kannan. So here are the 5 things as pointers that you can take. 1, we are playing for the gain side of this entire crisis. 2, in-home consumption has been rebooted. Some of the habits of in-home consumption behavior will carry on the other side of this change. That will lead to higher quantum consumption levels and also natural premiumization. 3, modern retail, digital or physical, will be trusted a little more because its care and reassurance practices will be genuine, apparent, and therefore will be there for more customers to find reassuring. 4, the toolkit that we are used to, the supermarket playbook that we are used to, continues to work. Those same tricks, bag of tricks, are still interesting for our customers and they will continue to respond. The ROI itself might go up because all ships will rise. And 5th, digital market wala and supermarket wala will be the seamless 2 sides of the same coin. And this change in the business models we will do in a hurry. We would be very eager to know what you are picking up and what you are learning from during this change, from the marketplace, from consumer behavior, and in case you have multi-country operations, in learning from other markets. Because in these situations, when our usual dashboards are broken, it's only sharing of knowledge and quickly passing it on in real time to each other would be really an act of strong relationship and a big help in succeeding going forward. Please do that. Thank you, take care, and namaste.